A two-step, a two-step. Now go to two-step, now go to two-step, now go to two-step, now go to two-step, now get it jiggy with it, now get it jiggy with it, now get it jiggy with it.
Well, I'm gonna show you a little video about a story I learned back in the army, back when my little king was pregnant. Hey Chaz, go fetch me my book.
Right away, sir.
Make it snappy.
Here you go, sir. To Kill a Mockingbird.
The scene I'm about to show you. This one's To Kill a Mockingbird, chapter 10, when they find out that old Tim Johnson has rabies.
He's sick, Cal. Something's wrong with him.
What are you trying to do, catch Dale?
He's doing like this!
Oh.
Pop, lock, and drop it. 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 Pop, lock, and drop it.
Mr. Finch, this is Cal. There's a mad dog down the street. He's coming this way. Stay inside, son.
No, Atticus, I don't want to stay inside.
Man, get it out! That's your kid. He ain't running, is he? No, he's in the twitcher stage. Should we go after him, heck? Oh, look, there he is over there.
Let me see you bounce right and left and let you show. Hey, let you show. Just let you.
Hey, what's he doing now, Atticus?
I don't know.
Lean with it, walk with it, 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 lean.
I believe kids these days call that the lean with it, rock with it.
Oh, he's getting kind of close, Atticus.
Chives, go fetch me the heat.
Right away, Atticus, sir. Here you go, Atticus, sir.
Chives, not that heat, the other heat.
Sorry. Here you go, the other heat. Go.
Chives, the real heat, the pat heat.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you, Chives. Take this.
No, Atticus, I feel much safer if you shot the gun.
Heck, I haven't shot a gun in years.
Atticus, he's right there.
Okay.
Look, if you walk, wind up, if you walk, wind up, if you
There he is.
wind up, if you walk, 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 wind up, if you walk,
Good J on the track.
wind up, if you look, if you look,
Hey,
if you walk,
it's time for
wind
all
up,
the
if you
security.
walk,
Bubbles, but
Get around. It's going down.
Yeah, well I'm holding on your damn street, stopping, jumping, bumping every car off in this damn place. Throwing the balls up at these soldiers, screaming and bleeding from their nose. But when we start, that's where we make them hit the flow. Ain't no game off in this thing. We be deep off in your party. Come on, get it started, and it would be the hardest. So if a come and run they mouth just like a punch them dead up in this snow, they stomp this out to the flow.
Yeah, we nucky and